I'm back. Good morning. Today's Sunday. I've been missing again. I was sick for like 2 weeks. I don't know what's COVID. The doctor said it wasn't COVID. My mother came down, spent some time with me and the family. Just been super busy. Haven't done no upgrades to the vehicle, but I haven't even washed this thing in over a month. So I'm gonna go get it washed by the touchless car wash, because I don't ever let them things touch my vehicle. I learned that with a lesson that when I had my 2017 Toyota Corolla. I went through a car wash, looked down, maybe a couple days later, scratches all over my fender. So never again. So I always go to this one car wash. Sometimes I go to another one a little further away, but I usually go to this one off of North Florida. Anyway, I do have some upgrades that I want to do. I just been busy. I will definitely be doing them. It's a surprise. I would like to tell y'all, but I'm gonna keep it a surprise. Nobody hasn't done it yet that I know of, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go get this car wash done, and I'm gonna show y'all my routine on how I clean out my vehicle. As you see, I got the baby seat back here. My wife's Outlander is in the shop with that same old hood fluctuation that everybody else is getting with them Outlanders. So we put it in the shop because we about to go to North Carolina in that vehicle, actually this weekend. So you probably won't get another video out of me. My mother-in-law is staying for, I don't know, a month. But anyway, once I get back to the house, I'm gonna show you the products that I use, and maybe you want to use them too. It's not sponsored. This is just something that I do, the products that I use all the time for myself. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back at my house. I probably won't be talking too much because there's a lot of traffic right here. I'm on the main road. So what I'm going to do is, you're going to see me clean, but I'm going to stop in progress and show you what products I'm using to clean the interior of my vehicle. I really don't do the exterior too much. I'm looking into that, but at this point, I'm just going to clean out my car. You will see how dirty this vehicle is from my wife and the baby, my 3 girls, my boys, my 2 boys. They don't really get in the car, they don't really make a mess, but the women, whew, it's bad. So hang with me, and I'm gonna show you what the vehicle look like. All right, so here's what everything is looking like right now. I haven't moved anything. Just look at all of that. I'm gonna clean this today. Got the baby seat. Look, I got Fruity Pebbles because of the baby. Look at her car seat. Look like a whole grocery store inside it. Look over here. Now, I can admit, some of this is my fault. You see a little bit of leakage. I actually have to fix this. I haven't got around to it. I don't care about leak. I don't really have anything inside here except for some wood pellets that I get for my puppies, because I also breed from time to time. So I'm gonna spray that out today too. So I'm gonna start to take everything out the vehicle first. Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta get my drive back. I'll be right back. All right, so I removed the weather mats, and now I'm going to vacuum everything out. But here's how it looks. So now, here comes the part that I hate, because now I gotta get all in there, and I'm like really perfectionist, so I like to get everything. Probably won't get it, but I'm gonna try. I'm using Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. You can use this on vinyl like your Lariat seats, dash, or your monitor. It's also a multi-purpose spray that you can use in various different ways. Alright, so here is the quick detailer. It's a extreme slick polymer detailer spray. And as you can see here, you can use this on your seats. This is what I use. It gives the Lariat seats a nice shine, and it cleans it also. It cleans pretty much very well. And this is the spray I prefer to use on my seats, other than any other spray. to wrap this up, I'm using the Zesty Lemon and Lime Spray. It's an air freshener and odor eliminator. I spray this under my weather mats and under my car seats. You can spray any amount until you're satisfied with the spray. As you see, I'm using a lot. Now my last piece, well, not really last piece, because I still got to do my tires. But for the interior, I usually just spray down the mats. I put the mats back. I don't really use any ingredients on it. No chemicals or anything like that, I'm sorry. But I just spray them down with water, let them air dry, and I throw them back. If you like to see what I do with my exterior, drop a comment below. Let me know, and I'll show you the next time on the next video, whenever I get a chance, because it is hard today, man. It is hard, so busy in 2023. But if you drop a comment below, please like, subscribe. Look, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. If you get me to 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway. But I need to get to 1,000 subscribers, and for sure I will make that happen. Also, I'm coming up on 10,000 miles on the Maverick. I would have been up on it if I would have took it to North Carolina, but we're going to take my wife's car, so that's not going to happen in probably the end of this month. So probably around April 1st, I should be around 10,000 miles. So until then, peace.